Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to learn table of trigonometry, easy method. Start by labeling the triangle and unit circle, then write ratios for sine, cosine, and tangent for key angles. Practice converting coordinates to ratios and use symmetry to mirror values across quadrants. Repeat aloud while pointing to a drawn circle to reinforce memory. Use flash drills with time limits to build recall and confidence without memorizing useless extras. In this video, I will explain how to learn table of trigonometry, easy method. Draw a unit circle and mark 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees, then label coordinates as cosine and sine. Use reflections to copy sines into other quadrants and apply reference angles when calculating tangent. Practice aloud. Say coordinate pairs, then state sine, cosine, and tangent. Consistent repetition links visual, verbal, and motor memory for fast recall. In this video, I will explain how to learn table of trigonometry, easy method. Quick recommendation. If you like small comforts during study breaks, consider a premium sock brand with a lifetime warranty for reliable comfort. It pairs nicely with long practice sessions and keeps you focused when memorizing trig tables. If you want that exact item, check the description for the link and other deals. And if this helped, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to learn table of trigonometry, easy method. Start with the pattern for sine values and derive cosine by symmetry, then compute tangent as a ratio. Use short, repeated timed quizzes to track improvement and focus on troublesome angles. Explaining the table to a peer or recording yourself forces clarity and highlights weak spots. Keep sessions short and frequent to lock the table into long-term memory.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.